Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to provide you information about the next diamond painting event that I am hosting. As some of you may or may not know, I hosted my first event back in June, which was dpforvets. It went really well. Some people did some really amazing kits. There was a lot of fun had, and if you haven't seen some of the things that people did, I will stick a link up there so you can check out the ending video where I posted all of their finishes and then drew for the winner. So in November, I am hosting my second diamond painting event, and that is dpforvets. So a little backstory behind my hosting these events. I originally had intended to host just one event, and I was going to combine these. And then I thought that was too confusing, so I split them into two. So during dp4vets, I made a donation to my local animal shelter and encouraged all of you to do the same. Some did, some didn't. That is not a requirement for participation. The other issue that is near and dear to my heart besides animals is veterans. And so I will be doing the same thing during this event. I will be making a donation to a veterans charity, and I will encourage you to do the same. Again, donations are not required to participate or win in the event. So just, if you want to be a good human, I encourage that. So some details about the event. In a lot of ways, this is going to be very similar to the pets event back in June, except this one is going to be for veterans. So the theme is anything veterans, remembrance, patriotic, Veterans Day, Remembrance Day, whatever you call it, to honor people who have served your country. So, details. It starts on November 1st. It ends on November 30th. So you have a month to complete the kit. It needs to be a new start. It needs to be at least 30 by 30. Those of you who asked last time, I'm going by the measurements that the kit is sold by. So like for instance, this is marked 40 by 30. That's what I'm going by. No one is going to measure the actual drill field and see if that's actually 30 by 30. As long as it's sold as a 30 by 30, you're good. It needs to follow the veterans/remembrance theme. You need to follow me here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. I am over on Instagram at diamondpaintinganonymous. I will, like I did for the pets event, I will have entry and exit forms on Google. The entry form I will actually put a link to down below so that you can fill out your entry form, whatever you want to do. The exit form will not open until I won't post anything about that until November 15th. That gives people at least half of the month to complete their kit. If you're only doing a 30 by 30, it shouldn't take you very long. Same as pets, partials are fine. I'm not going to quibble over whether it has to be full drill or partial. And the exit form will close at midnight on November 30th. So you have until midnight on November 30th to finish everything. I do have a place on the exit form for you to provide a photo of your finish, so you can include that. And then I'm hoping to do the same thing that I did with the pets event. I will have a montage video at the end with all of the people who have finishes. What you see in front of you are some of the kits that I am hoping to complete during the event. And as you can see, some of them are kind of small. So the first one that I'm going to be doing is this one. And it is one you've seen me unbox on the channel before. It is poppy flowers, and that's my first one that I'll be completing. I do have two off the canvas things that I'll be working on. These would not qualify for the prize package, but if you wanted to complete something off the canvas like this, then that's fine. I have a bookmark that is an American flag, and then I have a journal that has some American symbology on the front of it. And then I have an American flag kit that I may or may not complete, and then this one I bought just kind of a joke. My husband is Canadian, and so it's half the American flag, half the Canadian flag. So these are some of the things I'm hoping to complete during the month. You only have to complete one thing. You are welcome to complete more than one thing if you want to. However, you can only be entered once in the final prize package drawing. So, but yeah, if you want to do more than one thing, that's great. Again, you can do items that are off the canvas if you want. However, those will not count because it does need to be at least a 30 by 30. So canvas items, at least 30 by 30. Once everything is over and the exit form closes at midnight on the 30th, I will enter everyone who is qualified into the random prize package drawing. This event is open to everyone, international and otherwise, so make sure there is a place on both forms for you to tell me what your country of residence is, just so I know. And the winners will be announced right here on the channel after the event ends. Again, I'm hoping to do the same thing that I did with the pets event, and that is to put all of your finishes into a montage video, and then I will have the drawing for the final prize package winner. You can tag me on social media using the hashtag dpforvets for this event. And I will stick over on the side there a little poster with all of the pertinent information. So if you want to screenshot it or save it for yourself so that you can know what all the details are. When it gets closer to the event, I will begin posting all of this on my socials. You'll see it when this video posts, but then I probably won't post a whole lot until we get a little bit closer to the event. But I did want to get something out there. Again, I had some people questioning about what the event theme was because I shortened it to vets and didn't leave it as veterans. People were confused about whether this was veterinarians. Love them too, but no, this one is specifically for veterans. And I wanted to get that out there again because I learned last time that I need to give you guys time to plan your schedules and or to acquire the items that you're going to be using for the event. So hopefully this gives everyone enough lead time that you can get things ordered, purchased, and shipped to you before the event starts. Because we all know it gets kind of crazy once November hits. So I think that's everything. If I forgot anything or you have any questions, please, you can drop a comment down below, or you can shoot me an email, diamondpaintinganonymous@gmail.com. Yeah, I hope that answers all your questions, guys. I am going to have a prize package similar to the one that I had for the pets event. I don't have all of it gathered up yet. So if any of you watching are interested and would like to sponsor anything by providing items for the prize package, that would be amazing. Just contact me again at my Gmail and we can work out all the details. I do have, I hope, plenty of things to add into the prize package already, but more is always better, right? For prizes. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. Hashtag DP4Vets. So that's it. I hope everyone can participate. I had a lot of fun with the last event I hosted, and I'm hoping that this event will be just as much fun. I don't want this to be a high stress event for anyone. I know, again, like I said, once we hit October, November, December, those last 3 months of the year, events are kind of crazy. There's a million of them. There's already so many other things going on in people's lives. So, don't stress. I don't want anyone to stress. I just want to have some fun and get to know some people in our diamond painting community. So, yeah, that's it, guys. I am listed on Mr. and Mrs. Dubé's diamond painting events list. And I think I'm listed on one of the Facebook groups that keeps track of diamond painting events. And I don't remember the name of it right off the top of my head. I believe Kay is the one who runs it. It should be listed in both of those places. So yeah, here's all the details. And again, I will be posting more information as we get closer to the event. But I wanted to give you guys kind of a heads up. So again, so that you had that lead time to order anything that you might want for the event. So hope you can all participate. And thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you don't miss any videos, especially when I post about this event next. Thanks so much for watching, guys.